kubor baman kesngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni
Chief Minister Conrad ke sangma ulong baka sorkar kalala banbo ya ke CCTV Camera hapo state Kumba ars pa arpunyo tali ke balayo ban penankam kebanyo pho du proposen ka kam klayaj bat ka sorkar kan sasdang ya ka benta kap ar Kumba ars pa tali ke kamera UCM ulayatho bakani ka project ka kantop ya ke CCTV bat ki street light hajtura juwai bat shillong bat lakmi lenti ban pendap hapo kan ngasnam
I think about 70-80% I've already done. Myself, I had gone to Mauro the other day and I have installed the CCTV. I have inaugurated the CCTV in Mauro. And like that, in almost all the locations, it's done. Now we'll start the second phase where we'll take up another 200 of them. We've also decided to put up CCTVs and street lights everywhere in Joai, Tura and Shillong. So this is going to be a year-long process where multiple in phase-wise manner. And you should go and see it. It's wonderful. So now CCTVs are there in all concerned areas. Of course, we're not taking everything in one go because everything requires money and manpower and monitoring systems to be put in place. But it's happening at a very fast pace, and many of the localities have received it. And I can assure the others also that we'll be slowly and steadily will be covering the other localities, and definitely Tura and Shillong also are in the pipeline.
banyo iki kubor baman kesngi subhawan subscribe ya ka channel unang yalam news kuble shibu